Welcome to the RCC podcast by Richard's Commerce Classes. In this session, we will discuss the topic of computer in accounting. First up is the concept of computerized accounting system or CAS. The usage of computers and information technology in accounting processes has revolutionized the modern business concepts so that the process of decision making has become quick, accurate, timely, and much easier. A computerized accounting system helps to implement the accounting process and makes it user-friendly with automation. Computerized accounting systems are software programs which help to store data, information in the accounting system. It is connected via computer, network server or remote access device with internet. The company or firm prepares various reports and statements with the help of computerized accounting software. What are the features of computerized accounting system? Point 1. Integrated data and information. Computerized accounting system is designed to make it user-friendly, automated and integrated for all business process such as purchase, sales, finance and manufacturing. With computerized accounting system we can keep accurate, up-to-date business information within time limit. Computerized accounting is mixed with management information system or MIS with multilingual and data organization capabilities to support the company. Point 2. Accuracy and speed. Computerized accounting has various customized templates and software for users which allows fast and accurate data entry and transaction operations. Thus, after recording the business transactions it generates the various information and reports automatically. Point 3. Quick decision making. The computerized accounting system generates real-time information for quick decision. The company or firm can plan its activities with the help of comprehensive MIS reports and instant access to complete and critical information of the company. Point 4. Modern and integrated. It helps to save time in recording business transactions as compared to manual accounting system. Various financial statements such as trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet can be derived at any point of time within a fraction of seconds. Point 5. Immediate availability of books of accounts. In CAS books and registers like cash book, bank book, purchase register, sales register and so on are readily available at any point of time. Point 6. Security. The computerized accounting system is more secured. Data and information can be kept confidential as compared to the traditional accounting system. Point 7. Transparency. Computerized accounting system helps the business organization to keep greater transparency in the day-to-day business operations. And last, point 8. Grouping of accounts. Appropriate grouping of accounts is required to be done in computerized accounting system. Normally ledger accounts are classified under groups like assets, liabilities, income and expenditure. As per requirement these groups are further divided into subgroups as per the convenience of the user. Next up, importance of computerized accounting system. The points can be summarized as follows. Point 1. Automation. Point 2. Multi-user facilities. Point 3. Accuracy. Point 4. Speed. Point 5. Reduction in cost. Point 6. Systematic and up-to-date records. Point 7. Huge storage capacity. Point 8. Compact. And, point 9, transferability and sharing information. What are the components that form the computerized accounting system? CAS comprises of the following components: hardware, software, and personnel. Point 1. Hardware. Hardware is the electronic equipment that includes computers, disk drives, monitors, printers and the network that connects with them. Most modern accounting systems require a network, the system of electronic linkages that allow different computers to share the information within the network. Point 2. Software. Software is the set of programs that direct the computer to perform the desired task. Accounting software accepts, edits and stores transactions and data, and then generates the reports. And point 3. Personnel. Personnel are critical to the success of any endeavor because people operate the system. Modern accounting system gives non-accounting personnel access to parts of the system. Let's now move on to an important discussion. Comparison between manual accounting process and computerized accounting process. Point 1. Meaning. Manual accounting is the system in which we maintain physical register of journal and ledger for keeping the records of each business transactions, whereas in computerized accounting, we use computer and different accounting software for digital record of each business transactions. Point 2. Calculations. In manual accounting, all calculations are done manually, whereas in computerized accounting, all the calculations are done by a computer system. Point 3. Ledger accounts. These are prepared by posting transactions in appropriate ledgers manually with the help of journal under manual accounting, whereas in computerized accounting once a voucher is entered, it will automatically be printed. Point 4. Trial balance. In manual accounting, we have to take the balances of all ledger accounts to the trial balance statement. However, computerized accounting system will produce trial balance automatically. Point 5. Adjustment entries. In manual accounting, both adjustment journal entries and its posting in the ledger accounts will be done manually, but in computerized accounting only adjustment entries will be passed and posting in the ledger accounts will be done automatically. Point 6. Financial statements. In manual accounting, we have to make the financial statements manually by carefully transferring trial balances figures into trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. But in computerized accounting, financial statements will be generated automatically. It will also automatically change after each voucher entry in the system. And last, point 7. Closing the books. In manual accounting, after the year end, the balances are to be carried forward manually to the next year. However, in computer accounting, financial reports are auto-generated and balances are automatically carried forward to the next year. Moving on, what are the types of accounting packages? A. Ready to use. This is suitable to those organizations or firm running small-scale business where the frequency or volume of accounting transactions is very less. It is easier to learn. Level of secrecy is relatively low. The training required is less and simple. B. Customized. This accounting software may be customized to meet the special requirement of the user. Software available in the market may not suit or fulfill the user requirements, hence, the software needs to be customized. It is suitable for large and medium businesses. Training costs are high in this system. C. Tailored. The accounting software is generally tailored in large business organizations with multi-users and geographically scattered locations. This software requires specialized training to the users. The tailored software is designed to meet the specific requirements of the users and form an important part of the organizational MIS. The secrecy and authenticity checks are robust in such softwares and they offer high flexibility in terms of number of users. And last, D. Free and open source. A small business needs an accounting software but they don't have a big budget. They find accounting softwares which are freely available as open source softwares on the internet. These applications can be downloaded and installed directly from the websites. Lastly, let us discuss the various voucher types and their uses in Tally software. F4. Contra. Used for cash withdrawal and deposit with bank and bank-to-bank transfers. F5. Payment. Used for all types of payments through either cash or bank. F6. Receipt. Used for all types of receipts either through cash or bank. F7. Journal. Used for non-cash transactions. Example: depreciation, purchase or sale of fixed assets on credit. F8. Sales. Used for cash sales as well as credit sales of goods only. And F9. Purchase. This voucher type is used for both types of purchases of goods, that is, credit as well as cash.